BioFemme Firming Toner. BioFemme Firming Toner is a balancing and firming organic treatment that restores the physiological pH of the feminine intimate areas. This alcohol and perfume-free solution is ideal for women lacking firmness, typically due to pregnancy or menopause, as well as women prone to vaginal pH imbalance. It should be used immediately after cleansing with the BioFemme cleansing foam. This organic toner comes in a spray bottle for quick and easy application any time of the day. Advantage number 1: balances the pH of the intimate areas. The BioFemme Firming Toner is highly recommended after rinsing the intimate areas with water after a shower or a bath. In fact, a healthy intimate pH is between 3.8 and 4.1. Water has a neutral pH of 7, which is more alkaline than the intimate areas. When the intimate areas are rinsed with water, the physiological pH becomes imbalanced, which causes dryness, discomfort, itching, and possibly increases the risk of infection. By using the BioFemme Firming Toner, the physiological pH of the intimate areas is immediately restored for maximum comfort. Advantage number 2: firming effect. BioFemme Firming Toner also offers an immediate tightening effect on the labia minora and labia majora, especially following pregnancy or during menopause. With tonifying baobab extract, revitalizing minerals and arginine, this unique formula ensures youthful and firmer skin tissue. Advantage number 3: calming and hydrating effect. BioFemme Firming Toner instantly refreshes and calms dry and sensitive intimate areas, particularly during menopause or following childbirth. It contains soothing extracts of witch hazel and moisturizing aloe vera to promote hydration and relieve any discomfort in the intimate areas. Results: the pH of the intimate areas is immediately balanced. Discomfort instantly dissipates. Over time, the intimate areas are firmer and more comfortable. How to use it? Spray BioFemme Firming Toner directly on the intimate areas morning and evening after cleansing with BioFemme cleansing foam.